Good morning, everybody. We are starting out nice and quiet, just a little bit of leftover cloudiness from a system departing to the east of the area. It stayed south of us last night, so not many impacts from it other than reinforcing some clouds from yesterday. So we'll see a mix of clouds and sunshine this afternoon. It'll be mild, temperature staying above the normal for this time of year, which is right at 32 degrees. We're already there this morning, so this afternoon's low 40s will be about 10 degrees above the average. But that system's out of here. We have a little bit of a break today, then another very small system spinning out towards Iowa this morning. That will slide east into the late afternoon and overnight, potentially bringing a few more snow showers to the region. However, these snow showers not expected to accumulate. Very moisture-starved system, but that is going to change as we go throughout the rest of the work week, and we'll talk about that here in just a second. Your temperatures are into the upper 30s, upper 20s and low 30s, that is. Colder, a little bit colder out west. Some of this cold air sneaks into the area, but it's not going to be cold at all because temperatures will be into the low 40s. Again, we're just so much above the average for this time of year. And here's that system, a better vantage point of it. And you can see the very small spin over South Dakota, getting into Iowa and southern Minnesota this morning. That's the one that'll basically ride from Chicago to Detroit and give a little bit of a snow risk from Saginaw south for the overnight tonight. But no accumulations expected, maybe a dusting worst case scenario. But the bigger system comes in this weekend, and you can't see it on this map, but it's way out to the west, just now making landfall along the Pacific Northwest. And that's the one that could give us some headaches going in from Wednesday into Friday. So here's the deal. We got that overnight rain chance tonight, overnight snow chance that is, tonight and into tomorrow. Then we have temperatures back up into the low 40s. So if there is a dusting, it'll melt by tomorrow morning into the afternoon. Overnight Wednesday into Thursday, we'll start to watch for a little bit of a rain-snow mix from Flint south. A little bit of snow near the Tri-Cities area, possibly about a ½ inch of accumulation before it changes over to rain with warmer air moving in with this system. Notice highs into the afternoon will be in the 40s, and I would not be surprised to hear a rumble of thunder across southeast Michigan as we go into Thursday afternoon, just how dynamic this system is going to be. It has a lot of cold air with it. It has a lot of wind with it. So overnight Thursday into Friday, we transition back to all snow, wind gusts possibly up to 45 and 50 miles per hour, and maybe some accumulating snows on the order of 1 to 2 inches with isolated spots going to 3 inches. This forecast, though, it could change. It ultimately is dependent on the track. If the track wobbles a little more to the south than what is forecast this morning, that could favor more snow for the entire area. If it moves a little more to the north, that would favor less snow. And right now the track basically goes right over Flint and Saginaw, and it's going to take until it moves to the east for enough cold air to wrap around it and change that rain over to snow. And by that point, most of the more significant and heavy moisture should be out to the east. But a tricky forecast ahead, and then it turns much colder going into the weekend. So keep checking in with us. I said this yesterday, mynbcnews.com. We'll always update it here first, but you can also watch it with us on air as well, and we will continue to update you and give you a better idea of what you can expect with this next storm system as it moves in by the middle and end of the work week.